This conference will
Uh,
now be
Good morning, sir.
recorded.
Good morning, good morning. Yes, today we'll see like tag lib directive is pending, right? One example I'll take regarding tag lib directive. So with that your JSP will be over, and Monday class I will take the project, guys. Project implementation will start. Project implementation will start.
Okay.
Yeah, JSP class 7, class 8 is done, class 9 is done. Yeah, yeah. Class 8 or 9?
9 completed, sir.
I shared this example, right? Did you check that example, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Guys, today like Java 10 today last like JSP 10 days 10. Well, if you go for the JSP day 10, so these are like custom actions, guys. Standard custom actions and standard actions we have. Standard actions are what JSP can use being set property, get property, forward, include, plugin tag, fallback. These all are what standard actions are custom actions. Okay, these all are standard actions or custom actions. These are standard actions, right? These are standard actions means what? Predefined actions. Predefined actions we can call it as a standard action, right? Exactly. We see this message JSP colon use bean tag. JSP colon use bean tag what the purpose guys to configure which class here? Only bean class, right? To configure the bean class, guys. Next one is what JSP colon set property. JSP colon set property. JSP colon set property means what? To configure what? Yes, JSP colon set property to call the setter method, right?
Better
Yeah,
method.
so to call the setter method, right? Exactly. Yes, next one is what JSP colon get property. If you go for the JS colon get property, right? Yeah. Set property is the JSP colon get properties, right? JSP colon set property and JSP colon get property. Next one is what to call the getter methods, right? To call the getter methods. Okay, these are the predefined actions. JSP call use bean set property get property. JSP call use bean to configure the bean class. Set property to call the setter method. Get property to call the getter methods. To call the getter methods, right? These are predefined actions, guys. And custom actions means see JSP call use bean tag will work for only bean class, guys. J my tags colon hello is there. This is like custom tags, right? Custom actions. When this my tag is occurred, then what happened, guys? My tag handler class will be executed. Okay, JSP colon use bean only for to configure which class, guys? To configure the bean class, right? JSP colon use bean to configure only bean class. JSP colon set property to call the setter method. JSP colon get property to call the getter methods, right? So these are the predefined tags working for the specific classes. But if you create your own tag, guys, my tags colon hello. This is the predefined or user defined. This is like custom tag, right? Custom tags means when this tag is occurred, then your class will be executed. Whatever the user defined classes, whatever the user defined class you have taken, that tag handler class will be executed, right? Okay, the statement is clear. These are the predefined actions working for the only specific classes. This is a user-defined action. Custom action. Custom action is for the our user-defined classes, right? Custom classes. Sir, when this tag is occurred, yeah, when this tag is occurred, this is your tag, guys. When this tag occurred, the corresponding tag handler class will be executed, right? It is like tag handler class. Tag handler class executed. When this tag is occurred, this tag handler class executed, then how we will provide the mapping between the tag and the tag handler class means using TLD files, guys. Using what? A TLD file. So this is 1, 2, 3. So this is like tag. Whenever this tag is occurred, when this tag is occurred, this is like a TLD file it will check. In the TLD file, it will decide the tag handler class. When this tag is occurred, based on the TLD file, the corresponding tag handler class will be executed, right? So,
So, what is the extension of TLD?
hmm,
TLD. TLD. What is the extension? TLD.
the TLD itself is extension, right?
Hmm.
XML is there, na? XML file, property files like the TLD files are there.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Just like XML file purpose is what? URL pattern to corresponding servlet mapping is done, right, in XML files. The
Yes.
TLD files means what happened here? TLD files, when your tag is occurred, this is the predefined tag or user defined tag. This is the predefined tag or user defined tag means this
User
is like user
user
defined.
defined. User defined.
When this tag is occurred, I want execute this user defined class, right? Tag handler class. This is user defined class, right? That's what. When this tag is occurred, I want execute this class means that mapping where we will do means TLD files. The file name is what? Hello. Extension is what? .tld extension. Is it clear now? Yeah. Guys, that's what. First we have to create the tag handler class, guys. Actually, in the JSP to create the tag handler class, guys, your class, my class implements which interface, guys, here, tag interface. Guys, my class must implements what? My class must implement the tag interface, guys. Because to create the servlet, your class implementing which interface? Servlet interface, right? To make your class a servlet class, your class must implement which interface? Servlet interface, right? The same way, to make your class as a tag handler class, you must implement the tag interface, guys. As usual, solid interface contains how many methods total? Solid interface contains 5 methods, right? Out of 5 methods, how many methods are lifecycle methods?
3.
Yes, 3 methods are lifecycle methods, right? Yeah,
Yes,
in the
sir.
same way, when you implementing the tag interface, guys, tag interface contains how many methods total? 6 methods are there. Out of 6 methods, guys, 4 methods are lifecycle methods. Guys, how many methods are lifecycle methods? 4 methods are lifecycle methods. What the lifecycle methods means? Set page context is lifecycle method, guys. Do start tag is the lifecycle method. Do end tag is the lifecycle method, and release is lifecycle method, guys. Set parent and get parent is what? These are non-lifecycle methods. Yes. Guys, out of your class implementing the tag interface means what? Tag interface contains total 6 methods. Out of 6 methods, 4 methods are non-lifecycle methods. So set page context method, do start tag, do end tag, release. These are the lifecycle methods. The order also same order, guys. First set page context method executed, then do start tag, do end tag, release method. Set parent and get parent we have to call explicitly, right? Guys, we have to call explicitly. Out of these 4 methods, guys, where we will write the logics means we will write the logics in the do start tag. Guys, where you will write the logic? Here we will write the logic, right? Guys, where we will write the logic means here we will write the logic. Do start tag, right? Exactly. Okay, so lifecycle methods are what? Do set page context, do start tag, do end tag, release method, right? Exactly. Is it clear now? Guys, first let me create the tag actually. See this, guys, tag is there. What is the tag now? To create the my tags colon hello. The JSP colon use bean means what's the tag name? JSP is a prefix, right? JSP is a prefix. What the tag name? Use bean is a tag name, right? In the same way, my tags colon hello means what's the tag name here? Guys, what the tag name is nothing but hello. What is the
Hello.
tag prefix here? My tags is a prefix, right? My tags is a prefix, guys. I written some tag body is there. This is the tag body. For the tag body, guys. Hi Ratan, how are you? Is a tag body. This is my tag, guys. After tag also you have some remaining code is there, right? Remaining JSP code. Only tag is there, remaining code also there. Remaining some other tags also available,
Remaining.
right?
Yes, sir.
Exactly, guys. Yeah, this is my first JSP page you want to execute. To make the JSP page, first of all, to make the JSP page, my tags colon, my tags is a prefix, hello is a tag name. My tags hello is there. My tags hello is there. Yeah, see, when this tag is occurred, I want execute the this tag is occurred. I want execute what? I want decide the class name, right? How we will decide the class name? Using TLD file, right? Yes, yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Using TLD file or
Yes,
not?
sir.
In
Instead of
that
extra.
case, guys, how we can configure the TLD file means, see, using the tag lib directive. Tag lib directive is there, right? How many directives total we have? 3 directives, right? Page directive we
Page
completed,
address.
include directive we completed, include directive we completed. The third one is what? Tag lib directive, right? This is
Yes,
like
sir.
what? Tag lib directive, guys.
Exactly.
So tag lib URI is there. URI is nothing but webinf slash hello.tld file. It means where we'll create the TLD files under the webinf folder, right? Along with the web.xml file, guys. Yeah, see guys, this prefix both are matched. See, prefix both are matched or not. Then this hello will be checked in hello.tld file. Guess what the meaning? Tell me. This prefix both are matched. Then hello will be checked in what? Hello.tld file. Right? Guys, hello will be checked in hello.tld file. Guys, here we can take only one custom tag or multiple custom tags.
Multiple.
Multiple custom. Yeah. This is my tag I taken. Next one is what? You can take like your tag. Your tag you can take and your tag you can take. In this case, guys, what the prefix we have to take now, Yeah. Guys, maybe we have the multiple TLDs, guys. Because my tags colon hello means for the my tags is a prefix, right? This prefix contains one tag or multiple tags. Guys, this prefix my tags
Multiple.
contains multiple tag names, right? Multiple tag names, right? These all the tag names I can configure in hello.tld files. Okay. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? This is like hello one is there. This is like hello one closing is there. Observe carefully. Hello one is na hello one closing. Next one is what, guys? Hello two and hello two closing. Guys, in this case, tell me my tags is a prefix. My prefix contains how many tags now? Two tags, right?
Okay.
These two tags information is present in which TLD file. This
Hello.
prefix both are same. Hello.tld file it will be checked, guys. Then you see your tax colon, your tax colon, high one is there, your tax colon, high one closing, your tax colon, high two is there, your tax colon, high two is closing it. Now tell me guys, then here this prefix both are matched. Then what happened here? This TLD file name you can give any TLD file name, it's not a problem. Your TLD file, right? Exactly. Yeah, this is like assume that my TLD file, right? Exactly. Just tell me this prefix both are matched. Then hello one is a tag name. Where this tag name is checked? This tag name is checked in my.tld, right? My.tld file or not? And this prefix both are matched. Then hello two also checked in what? My.tld file, right? It means hello one, hello two tag handler classes configurations are there in which TLD file? My TLD file, right? Yeah. High one, high two, what's the prefix? Your tax is a prefix. This prefix both are matching. Then high one, high two will be checked in what? Your.tld file, right?
Yes, sir.
This is or no? Yeah. See
Yes.
guys, depends on the prefix. I think you understood that one prefix contains one tag handler class, right? One TLD file, right? Guys, yes or no? One prefix, guys. You can understand one thing clearly. It is possible to take one TLD file, multiple TLD files, guys. One prefix contains, tell me, one prefix contains, yeah, one prefix contains the one TLD file, right? Exactly. So one prefix contains one TLD file, guys. One prefix contains multiple tags. Those all the tags. One prefix contains one tag, multiple tags. One prefix contains what? Multiple tags. So all the tags are checked in what? TLD files, right? All the tags are checked in what? TLD files, right? Exactly. Yes, one prefix contains one TLD file. One prefix contains multiple tags. One prefix contains multiple tags means what? So all the tag names are checked in TLD files, right? Guys, we got the clarity about the statements or not?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Guys, that's what. Just I can take this code also will be better. So this is my TLD file information. Yeah. So one TLD file, multiple things are there. It's fine, guys. Guys, you can go for this Eclipse ID Adv.Java 10 a.m. No? So we decided that one prefix. The prefix mapping is clear. Flow of execution is important, guys. This is our tag. When this tag is occurred, this prefix both are matched. Then this hello one is the tag name. Where this tag name will be checked? My.tld. In the my.tld, it will map the It will map the tag handler class. The corresponding tag handler class will be executed, right? Guys, the corresponding what? The corresponding tag handler class will be the corresponding tag handler class will be executed, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. That's what, guys. Eclipse ID. If it is Eclipse ID, man, it's taking too much time. Yeah, fine, guys. Yes, how's our tag handler class will be checked? TLD file is checked means. I hope you understood this JSP code, right? JSP code is there. Hello will be checked in which TLD file, guys. Here, hello.tld file, right? Just see this hello.tld file, guys. TLD file, the root tag is like taglib. Taglib is root tag, guys. In a web.xml file, the root tag is what? WebAPI tag, right? WebAPI tag, right? In web.xml file, the root tag is what? WebAPI
Web.
tag. In TLD file, the root tag is what? Taglib class, guys. While making the taglib direct TLD files, guys, we have to write TLD file, what kind of JSP version we are using, what kind of TLD version we can give. Actually, my application contains like version wise TLDs means. See, guys, today I'm developing the application. In my application, I'm taking like JSP 2.1 version. The TLD version is 1.0 I taken. If tomorrow if I'm implement the application next level, then I can use the JSP 3.1 version. Then I can make the TLD 2.0 version, right? Yes, it just is specifying that which version of JSP, which version of TLD file they are using. So JSP version 2.1, it using TLD 1.0 version. JSP 3.2 using like TLD 2.0 version, right? Exactly. This is just specifying versions, guys. After that, to configure the tag, we require the tag class is there. Tag class equals tag name. What is the tag name now? Hello is a tag name, right? I think this hello is matched or not. This hello is a tag name, guys. For the tag name, what the tag class they mentioned here? Com data, TCS data, custom tag, right? It means when this tag name is occurred, then what happened, guys? This tag class will be executed. Yes, this is a tag name, this is a tag class. Sir, I have the 10 tags means what? 10 tag names means what? This code is copied like 10 times, right? For every tag, this code is common like this. How many tags are there? Tag names are there. You can go for that many number of tag names, right? Exactly. But as of now, only one tag is there. That hello tag is there. Tag name is what? Hello, right? Yeah, hello, both are matched. Then this hello will be checked in what? com.tcs.custom tag, right? Guys, com.tcs.what? com.tcs.custom tag. Guys, you got the clarity now?
Yes,
Hmm?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the information, guys. That is the information. Body content, I'll tell you while doing practicals. I'll tell you what is the JSP body content. Body content JSP means the tag allows the body, guys. If you make the body content is empty, empty means what? The body should be empty. There is no body. If you make the body content is empty, even though if you take the body, you will get error message, guys. If you are trying to take the body about this tag contains the body means the body content main name should be JSP. If there is no body here, then what happens, guys? Here you can make the empty. Yes, here you can make what empty, right? Exactly. Guys, this is like hello.tld file, guys. Hello.tld file, right? Yeah. Let me create the application, guys, so that we'll get some more clarity. Just you can closer, go to the file menu, click on new dynamic web project. The project name is what? Dynamic web project. The project name is like, the project name is like, JSP, JSP. Which one, guys? Yeah, custom tag, right? Custom tag. Yeah. So click on next, next. If you want generate update XML file, just click on the finish, right? Just click on what finish, right? That's it. So JSP custom tag is first. Let me create the custom tag JSP code first. To create the JSP code, we can go for web content folder. Web content folder. In web content folder, right click new. I want to create the JSP file first. The JSP file is like the JSP file name should be hello. Yes, any name you can give. It's not like hello only. You can give any name. Hello.jsp file I taken. This is my hello.jsp file. Right? Exactly. Hello.jsp file I taken. This is my hello.jsp file, right? Exactly. Guys, if this is the case, hello.jsp file, if you take hello.jsp file, you can please copy the jar files, guys. Charlie typhoon api.jar, because everything is think like a project, guys. Everything is one project means definitely we have to make the corresponding jars, right? Have to make the corresponding jars. So that by any folder, lib folder is there. Just you can paste the data, guys. Then it's fine. Then you can make the data here. Two jars are ready. Yeah, fine, guys. Guys, then this my tag is there, right? Corresponding TLD file I have to create. What a TLD file name, guys? Here,
Hello TL.
hello.tld file. Where we have to create the TLD file under the web.inf folder, right? Because here clearly gives location like web.inf/tld. Click on the normal file you can take, guys. Normal file you can take. The extension should be .tld you can take. Because TLD file, don't think like some predefined files you will get. Normal file only you can take, but save the extension is what? Guys, save the extension is what?
TL.
Save the extension is like .tld extension, right? Exactly. Just click on finish. Save the extension like .tld, click on finish. Here you can write the TLD code, guys. Taglib is the main directive. Versions, hello is a tag name. This is a tag handler class. Body content is JSP. Now see, guys, now my tag is ready. You can take the hello.tld file. Yeah. Yes, you can take the hello.tld file is there. This my tag is ready now. Yeah, because yeah, my tag is ready. My tag colon hello is ready. For this hello, where you will check this hello.tld file, right? Exactly. Because when this tag is uncount, this tag is occurred, I want execute which code now? Tag handler class, right? For the tag handler class, guys, custom tag, right? Now we have to create this custom tag class, right? Exactly, guys. Where we create the Java resource, src folder, right click here. Can please take the normal Java class, guys. Don't take any servlets and this all. Just take the normal Java class. The normal Java class, we will become the tag handler class when we extend what? Tag interface, right? When we extend what? Tag interface. Click on finish. Give the package name, class name, just click on the finish. To make your class is a tag handler class. This is normal Java class I taken, right? To make your class is a tag handler class, you must implement switch interface, guys. Guys, you must implement switch interface. Must
Tag.
implement must implement
Tag.
what? Tag
Tag.
interface. Tag interface, guys. As per the interface rules and regulations, must implement the tag interface. Yeah,
We need
check
to
the
import.
package name, guys. Java extra solid that JSP that. So imported, right? Exactly. Because as per the interface rules and regulations, if interface contains some methods, we have to override all the methods, right? Because we have to override what all the methods are not. Just place the cursor, guys, here. Just place the cursor, add unimplemented method. You will get all the methods, right? Yes, you'll get all the methods. See that methods, guys. Total how many methods you're getting. So yeah, how many methods you're getting, just you can try to see. Yeah, guys, total how many methods you're getting means set page context is there, set parent is there, get parent is there, release is there. These are the methods, right? Do start tag is there, do end tag is there. These are the methods, guys. Guys, out of these all methods, how many methods are lifecycle methods? I said clearly four methods are lifecycle methods, right? Four methods are lifecycle methods, and two methods are what? Non-lifecycle methods, right? Exactly. Yes, do start tag is there, do end tag is there, get parent is there, release is there, set page context and set parent is there, right? Exactly. Yes, out of these all methods, where I can write the logic now? Yes, where you can write the logic.
To start tag.
And do start tag, here you can write the logic, right? Exactly. Actually, here if you want to print the message, guys, to get the message, JSP writer object required. Which object required, guys? JSP writer. JSP writer object required. JSP writer equal to. Sir, how to get the JSP writer object means, to get the JSP writer object, first of all you need to page context object. Yes, to get this JSP writer object, first you need to get which object? Page context object. Then tell me guys, how can you get the page context object means this lifecycle method's first method is like set page context method will be executed. As per lifecycle flow, this is the first method executed. Set page context. This method argument is what page context object, right? It means when the container is calling this method, before calling this method, container will create the object of page context or not? Hmm? Guys, container will create the object of what? Page context, right? Container will create the object of page context and container will passing that object. Container is calling the page context method, right? Set page context method, right? Yeah, container will call this method, guys. By passing this argument, container will call this method. It means page context object is already available in this application. That's what I want is page context object in the do start tag method, guys. But this is the argument means this is a local variable, right? Local variable can be accessed in the do start tag. Yes, actually, JSP writer, we need the page context object. Page context object already container is creating object, container is passing that object to the set page context method. So this object is already created by container itself. Okay, container itself is creating the object itself. Server is creating object itself. But this object I need to access in which place? Do start tag place, right? I need to access that object in the do start tag method, right? I need to access that method in the do start tag means. Yes, I need to access that method in what? Do start tag, right? Then how? Then how means this is a local variable, guys. That's what I can do simply. Can you make some instance variable, right? Page context, yeah, page context. We can take the context, right? Page context equal to what? The null we can take. Guys, can please convert this local variable to instance variable, right? This dot context equal to what? This dot context equal to context, right? Exactly. This dot context equal to context you can take. After that, hmm, this dot context equal to context you can take. Then here, what you can do is context dot. JSP writer how to get that object means
Contact.
page context object. Context dot. The method is called get out method is there, guys. Context dot which method here? See context dot what? Context dot. Context dot. The method is called which method, guys, here? Get out method. See written type of get out method. Get out method written type is what? Tell me, get out method written type is what? JSP writer object.
JSP writer.
JSP writer object. Exactly. Get out method JSP writer object is written, right? Exactly. Guys, simply can write the writer dot. Writer dot what? Println. Writer dot println of what? This is a custom tag first application, guys. This is custom tag first application, right? Exactly. Guys, again it is throwing some exception, IO exception. Just to place the cursor, handle the try catch blocks. Because printing the data, right? Printing the data, throwing IO exception, handle the data. This is called do start tag, guys. Guys, just to write the hello world message, this much cinema is there. Custom tags. Just to print the hello world, this much required. Is that clear now? Just to print hello world, this much cinema is there, guys. Yeah, there is information. Do start tag is there, right? Exactly. Because after that, see, do start tag contains return values, guys. Do start tag contains two return values. Two return values. What are the two return values means? Do start tag contains eval body included skip body is there, guys. Yes, it contains so many return values. There are two possible return values for the do start tag method. They are talking about the body. Because do start tag is talking about the body of the tag. Okay. Tell me, guys, you have to give the container. You want to execute this body or you want to skip the body. If you want to execute the tag body means then what happens, guys? Here, eval body include we have to return. If you don't want to execute the body means what? Skip body we can use the return value. That's what, guys, here. This is a custom tag first application is printed. It means tag information is printed. Then you tell me, you want to execute the tag body or you don't want to execute the tag body?
Want to tag body.
You want to execute the tag body. If you want to execute the tag body, if you want to execute the tag body, then do start tag is talking about the tag body. This is a tag body, guys. Hi Ratan, how are you? This is basically like tag body, right? Exactly. Guys, this is basically like tag body we can do. Yeah. Guys, you want to execute a tag body, here return type you have to take eval body. Yeah. You have to take the body eval body include method, right? Guys, return eval body include method. Guys, return what eval body include method. Okay. These are do start tag is talking. And do end tag is there, right? Do end method. Do end tag method.
Sir,
This matter is tell me.
here we have written right eval body included. That eval body included, it will be assigned 0 or 1, sir. 0 or 1.
Exactly. Because these constants are having the numbers actually.
Okay.
These
Where
constants are having the numbers. That number, because of that numbers, it is like written type is integer. Because these are the enum constants basically. This
okay.
enum constant basically. Eval body include is there. That's what eval body include colon 1 is there, right? 1 is nothing but eval body included. If you go for the skip body, if you write the skip body argument, you can take the skip body, right? Yeah, skip body you can take. Just you can place the cursor in the skip body. It is taking the skip body return value is how much here? 0, right?
0. Yes.
Yeah.
So anyone we
That's
can
what
give it.
this. Either you can give the constant, otherwise you can return the simply one also not a problem.
Okay.
But one is not that much meaningful, right? That's what they're returning the constants.
Okay.
Well body included. Okay. Yeah, well, this do start tag is talking about the this body executed or not executed, right? This talking about the body, guys. And the do end tag is there, right? Do end tag is talking about the remaining page of the JSP. Because you want to execute this remaining page of JSP or not?
Yes, sir.
If you want to execute the remaining page of JSP, do end tag, guys. You can write the eval page is there. Eval page is there. Okay, eval page also return value is there. See, eval page what return value guys how much here? The value will be 6, right? The value will be what? 6, right? Yeah, it means every constant contains like corresponding messages, guys. Do start tag is talking about the return value, talking about the body. You want to include the body, you want to skip the body. Do end tag is talking about the remaining page. You want to execute the remaining page, or you don't want to execute the remaining page. Hmm? Yeah, I will show you practically these all the possibilities. Okay, but as of now, this message is printed. After this message, eval body is included, body is also executed, and remaining page also executed, right? Yes or no? Remaining page also executed or not executed? Remaining
Yes.
page also executed, right? It means total. Hmm. Total get how many values total here? 3 values, right? Total we will get the 3 values, guys. Okay, sorry, clear now. Total we will get the 3 values, right? Exactly. Just you can run this code, guys. Right click on the project. That's what this custom tags we are not at all using, guys, because these days we have a number of predefined tools and predefined support, right? Who will write hello world this much code? Hmm? That's what. So no need to focus on more about this. I think only this example is sufficient. We understood like how to design the custom tag, and we understood how to make the tag lib directives, right? You understood what's the TLD files, right? You understood everything or not? Click on next, the remove all, just click JSP custom tag. So click on finish. So click on OK. If this is the case, just you have to call the hello.jsp file. In hello.jsp file, we expected like how many lines of output expected as total? 3 lines of output expected, right? How many lines guys total? 3 lines. What are 3 lines of output guys? First of all, tag class information, then this body information, then this remaining page information, right? Guys, total how many lines of messages we expected total?
3. 3.
Total expected
300.
lines of messages, right? Mm. Yeah, 3 lines of message expect, guys. Exactly. Yes, you can make this is like hello.jsp file. Hello.jsp file. As you can see, we can expect like 3 lines of this. These 3 lines of message. System bit slow, guys. Don't think application is slow. Yeah, we got output how many lines of code, guys. This is like tag information. Tag handler class for the message you're writing. This is a custom tag first application, right? This is like tag body. Hi Ratan, how are you? This is like a remaining page of JSP, right? Exactly. Guys, come to here. Just you can do some modification. I want skip the body now. To skip the body, just you can use a constant is what? Skip body. Skip body means now tag body executed or not executed. Yeah, this is like tag body, right? Hmm?
Yes,
Then
sir.
this tag body is executed or not executed? The tag body is not executed, right? Exactly. Hmm? Yeah.
Remaining would.
Just uh, tag body, right? We are taking the skip body, right? Not skip page.
Oh,
Skip
okay, okay.
skip body means what body is skipped, right? But if you
Yes,
want skip the page, you see, we got the output, right? Body is printed or not printed now? There is no body right here.
sir. No problem.
Yeah. If you don't want remaining page means we have to talk about do start tag method, do any tag method,
Do
remaining
enter.
page, do
Do
any tag
enter.
method, right?
Yes.
Here we can write the code is what skip page method. Now we are skipping the body, we are skipping the page also. It means body is not printed and remaining page also not printed, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
body is not printed and what? Remaining page also not printed, right? Exactly. So in this case, we expected output is what only how many lines? Only one
Only
line,
custom
right?
tag.
Only custom tag first application message we will get, right? Just you can refresh it once. We got the output only this line. So do start tag is talking about the body. Let me go for the eval body included. Do any tag is talking about the remaining page. That's what you can go for the eval page, right? Exactly. Guys, now we expected how many lines of output total? Eval body included and skip eval page also there. Then body is included and JSP also included, right? Like custom tag information included, body is included, and remaining page also executed, right? Yes, remaining page also executed or not? Exactly. Then come to here. Just if you refresh, we got the 3 lines, right? We got the 3 lines, guys. Good. Yes, in the TLD file, just I'm making this is like JSP, right? Body content is JSP. It means the tag contains like JSP, right? The tag contains JSP, like the sorry, the body contains the data, right? Exactly. Yes, but here you can make the empty. Empty means then what happened here? As per the
Yes.
TLD files rules of migration, the body should be empty, right? As per the TLD information, the body should be empty. But this is empty or not now? Body.
Not
Guys,
empty.
as per the TLD, the body is empty. But in the JSP code, you are taking the body empty or you are taking the body? You are taking the body, right?
He returned the body.
Uh, then you will get the error, guys. Read the error message. According to TLD, according to TLD, my tags colon hello must be empty, right? Guys, according to TLD, my tags colon hello must be empty, but it is empty or not?
But here it's
Hmm?
not empty. But here it's not
That's what
empty.
you got error. You got the issue, right? I got it. Exactly. According to TLD file, that should be empty, guys, but it's empty or not empty means it is not empty, right? Exactly. This the statement is clear. According to TLD, the tag handler class must be empty, but it is empty or not empty, but it is not, right? According to TLD, the tag handler class must be empty, but it is not. The statement is clear now. That's what, guys. If you're interested to take the tag body, make sure that this body content should be JSP. The body content should be JSP. Sir, without JSP, give me some unnecessary name. Either empty we can give or JSP we can give. If you give unnecessary message like this, unnecessary data if you give, see this message, guys. How.jsp the issue? Jasper error, body content type, right? See guys, Jasper error, Bad body content type. Body content is what? Bad content, bad name you have given, right? Exactly. Either if you want to take the body means you can give the if you want to take the body means you can take the JSP here, right? Simply. Without body means you can take the empty. Either empty or JSP. JSP means you can take the body, empty means you cannot take the body. Even it is empty but you are taking the body means then what happened?
Will
Even here it
that
is empty.
internal error.
Here, we got error like according to TLD file it is empty, but the data is not empty, right? But the data is what? Empty or not empty? But the data is not empty, right?
Okay.
That's what the point is. It is clear now. That is the information, guys. Have any questions now? Yeah, I think you got the clarity about tag directive, how to make the example, right? Hmm? Yeah. So do start tag is talking about the body, guys. Eval body and skip body. Eval body included. Do any tag is talking about the page, remaining page. You want to include the remaining page or you want to skip the remaining page, right? Exactly. Guys, that there is sufficient, guys. We done with the JSP classes. So I can take the tomorrow holiday, Saturday, Sunday. We'll meet on Monday class. We will start with the project, guys. By taking these all three, I will take the application. By taking these all three, I'll take the application.
Okay.
That do we use
Sir,
Right.
frequently
Java.
this JSP tags in the current projects?
Hello.
Do we use this JSTL tags frequently in the project, sir?
Custom tags we
Or
will not use, but in the custom tags we will not use. But JSP code we will write in the Spring class also.
Pin direct. Use pin.
Uh,
JSP pin we can use.
those also not useful because see your application is designed completely based on JSP. We can use those tags. JSP equal use being set property get property. But these days we are not designing complete application using only JSP, right?
Hmm.
No. I
Yeah.
think I said like starting class model one architecture, model two architecture. Model one
Yeah.
architecture means what? Presentation part, processing part, everything is done based on only JSP, right?
Yes.
Yes,
In
sir.
that case, JSP call use being a set property, get property, this all can be useful actually. Even custom tags also sometimes you will write. But these days, complete in and out application who will develop using JSP. Hmm? That's what. That's what. Processing logics when we have, you can go for the servlets. Presentation part, if you have anything, you can go for the JSPs. And database part, you can have the data. That's what you're going for the JDBC classes, right?
JSP. Yes, sir.
Uh, but where the complete application is developed based on the JSP, then you can go for the JSP called use bin tags are mandatory. Set properties, get properties, custom tags also some cases required because you to implement your own tags and your own information, right?
Yes.
Your own tags and your own information. The clarity important.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what in the Monday class, by combining these three, we will write the application so that you'll understand that, okay, this is servlet, this is a JSP, this is the HTML, and this is a JDBC code, right? So that you'll get the
Okay.
clarity. Hmm?
Okay. So tomorrow Java class is available.
I will send the message, Guru,
Okay. Okay.
because I'm updating some material, some content, new content. Mostly I'll update.
Okay.
Bye, guys.